Hello, this is Len the Bucket Farmer coming from West Melbourne, Florida. Just a little update on what I got going on here. I've got this trellis set up that I've had for a while. And here I've got yellow squash growing, sugar baby melons, and cucumbers. Now I've heard that if you put the squash next to the watermelon, they could cross-pollinate and you get some interesting fruit. So we shall see. And here's my tomatoes. I've got some jalapenos, more tomatoes, more jalapenos, and they're all turning red. And this is my cucumbers. Those are pickling cucumbers, and I've already harvested the regular cucumbers and made a salad with them. And my habaneros are starting to turn orange, so then I'll be making a hot sauce with that. And my kale's doing pretty good, and the weather still hasn't gotten that hot. And that's my Swiss chard, which I use for lettuce on a daily basis. And that's my Brussels sprouts. It's a beautiful plant. So we're just going to leave it for now, and we'll see what happens. I don't think I'll be getting Brussels sprouts. Anybody has any information? I believe it's too hot. In here is some more sugar babies and a couple of squash. And coming over around here, I've got more tomatoes, oregano. I've got some Paul Robeson started. Some peppercorns, pepperoncinis, I mean. And I just potted these up. They're really small seedlings. They're hot cherry peppers. And I was thinking, when they stay in these containers, and I get these from Epic Garden, Kevin, they're really good because they have a hole in the bottom and you could just pop them out. Highly recommend them, and they're gonna last a long time. And well, anyway, these hot cherry peppers, I thought if they stay in the cocoa coir and the perlite, there isn't any nutrition in that. So I went ahead and I put them in here with a little bit of blood meal, bone meal, and fertilizer, and then fish emulsion, but I cut it to half the strength. And hopefully they'll grow up. Over here I got my beets, which I will harvest soon, and my wife will make something with that. And I've got some more summer squash going on. And here's my fruit section with my lime, guava, avocado, Florida avocado, papaya, another eggplant, and the lemon tree. And here I've got Bella Rosa tomatoes and some more squash. Anyway, my garden's doing pretty good. I'm going to get ready and build covers for them with shade cloth. I ordered it from Amazon, and I'm waiting for that to happen because the heat is coming. Anyway, y'all have a happy day, and I'll be back.